Hello, today's video I'll talk about trending hashtag or best hashtag for your any type of project. So if you are a graphic designer or UI/UX designer, then maybe you share your design or project in various Facebook group, LinkedIn and other groups by uh, giving trending hashtag or related hashtag. But every time you research yourself about hashtag, but I think this is time consuming. So today I will share with you a website. From this website you can find out the most relatable or best suitable hashtag for your every project. So the website is besthashtags.com. When you came to this website you will see this type of interface, and if you are looking for UI design related hashtag, then just type UI design and click here search option, and here you see the most popular hashtag or best hashtag for your desired keyword like UI design. And if you want to copy this, then just click here copy, and all the hashtags are already copied in your clipboard. So uh, you have to do just control V or paste in your any post like LinkedIn post, YouTube, Facebook post, or anywhere. You just type control V and all the hashtag will be copy paste. So that's all about our today's video. If you like my content, then please subscribe me and feel free to share your opinion. Thank you very much.